Hello dear students, now I am going to discuss difference between redox and disproportionation reaction. Difference between redox reaction and disproportionation reaction. Let's go. Redox. At first you know what is redox reaction. Redox reaction is a reaction in which an element is oxidized and other element is reduced. Redox reaction is a reaction in which a species is oxidized and other species is reduced. Say zinc reacts with copper 2 sulfate to form zinc sulfate plus copper. Zinc reacts with copper 2 sulfate to form zinc sulfate plus copper. So this is a redox reaction. Why? Here zinc oxidation number 0. You know, element have an oxidation number of 0, so this 0. Copper, here sulfate -2, so copper ion +2. Here zinc oxidation number +2, copper 0. So redox reaction is a reaction in which an element is oxidized and other element is reduced. Zinc is oxidized because zinc lose electron, or you can write oxidation number of zinc increases 0 to +2. 0 to +2, zinc is oxidized. Oxidation. This copper 2 ion goes to copper reduction. Copper 2 ion gains electron. Copper 2 ion gains 2 electron to form copper. So copper 2 ion is reduced, means reduction reaction occur. Zinc oxidize 0 to +2, oxidation number increases, that's why it is oxidation, and copper 2 ion gains 2 electron to produce copper, +2 to 0, oxidation number decreases, so copper 2 ion is reduced. Redox reaction is a reaction in which an element is oxidized and other element is reduced. So in this reaction zinc is oxidized 0 to +2, means zinc lose electron, or you can write oxidation number of zinc increases 0 to +2, and copper 2 ion, copper 2 plus ion is reduced because copper 2 ion gains 2 electron, or you can write because oxidation number of copper 2 ion decreases +2 to 0, oxidation number of copper decreases +2 to 0. That's why this is a redox reaction. Now what is disproportionation reaction? Disproportionation reaction is a reaction in which an element is simultaneously oxidized and reduced. I mean, same element simultaneously oxidized and reduced is known as disproportionation reaction. Chlorine reacts with alkali to form sodium chloride, sodium chlorate 1 plus water. So this is a disproportionation reaction. Why? Chlorine oxidation number, you know, 0. Here chlorine oxidation number is -1. Here chlorine oxidation number is +1. So when chlorine reacts with sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride, sodium chlorate 1 and water is formed. This is a disproportionation reaction because chlorine is reduced from 0 to -1, means oxidation number decreases, and similarly chlorine is oxidized 0 to +1. So same element means chlorine simultaneously oxidized and reduced. That's why this is known as disproportionation reaction. Chlorine reduced 0 to -1 in NaCl and chlorine is oxidized 0 to +1 in NaClO, means sodium chlorate 1. This name is sodium chlorate 1 because the oxidation number of chlorine is +1. So this is disproportionation reaction. Redox reaction, this is the differences between redox and disproportionation reaction. Redox reaction is a reaction in which an element is oxidized and other element is reduced, but disproportionation reaction is a reaction in which same element simultaneously oxidized and reduced. Redox, one element oxidized, other element is reduced. Disproportionation, same element oxidized and reduced simultaneously. Thank you.